Alright, hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and we're back for another hardware unboxing and review, taking a look at the Nearity Mempod Pro 2S, which is a very lightweight, comfortable headset that is good for on-the-go, office work, and generally just being a really powerful and easy-to-use headset that also is powered by AI so that it can live transcribe all of your conversations that you have over phone calls or just taking notes for you so it's easier to keep track of all of your stuff for business, college classes, talking to your lawyer, talking to your accountant, or maybe just creating a grocery list to make things a lot simpler on the go, especially around the house. And it's really comfortable and easy to wear. All you have to do is slap it over your ears like so. And then unlike other sorts of ear pods or little earbuds that you put in your ears, this Mempod Pro is designed to project the sound directly into your ears, so it's over the ear rather than in the ear, preventing that uncomfortable cauliflower ear. So we're going to check that out here today. We're going to do an unboxing, then I'm going to check out the sound quality, and then the last thing, we're going to take a brief look at what the app does that allows you to live transcribe using an AI and the various useful things that could be done for you. All right, so the headset comes in a nice little box that says Nearity on it, and it tells you all of the different things that this can do. It's got great battery life, it's noise canceling, so you don't hear a lot of background noise, and it can actually remove a lot of the different chaff from around you. It does live AI-powered transcribing, and then it'll also help you to record live conversations over the phone, both of which I have sample recordings of that I will show you here in a moment. So this can connect to any of your mobile devices, your cell phone, either Android or iPhone, your tablet, and it'll also connect to your computer, and all of this is done over Bluetooth. Although if your computer lacks the ability to connect with Bluetooth, it does come with a little dongle that you can see here, right there, that you can plug into your PC that makes it really easy to connect and switch between different types of connections when using this headset. Now I will mention that the app primarily runs on your phone, either with iPhone, with the iOS app, or with the Android app, and that's how you're going to get the most use out of this device. That said, it connects really quickly, and it's really easy to use. You just turn it on and off with the little power button where my thumb is, and then you can go and start recording, transcribing, or just using it as a normal headset. It's really soft, and despite the fact that it's quite lightweight and feels a little bit fragile, it's very durable and easy to charge with a USB-C cable on the bottom of the main control section where all the buttons are. There's also a button on the microphone that you could click in order to do a quick recording that is stored on the headset that can be later transferred to your phone. So here's an audio sample that I recorded using the dongle that the Mempod Pro 2S comes with to just record raw audio coming straight out of the actual microphone. This is a quick little audio sample of the Mempod Pro 2S, which is a very lightweight and comfortable headset that you can use both on the go with your phone or at home on your desktop or laptop computer. And that's what it sounds like coming just directly out of the headset. And I will note that this headset does come with a very powerful noise cancellation built into it. So it removes a lot of the background noise from what's going on around you. Like I have a lot of fan sound noise in my office right now because it's the summertime and I have the air conditioner on. And you really don't pick any of that up with this headset. Whereas a lot of other cheaper headsets for like gaming, you definitely would. Now, inside of the app itself that comes with the Mempod and it's the Nearify app, is it connects directly to your headset because you can actually on the go store a few recordings directly on the headset itself, and those will be downloaded to your phone. But it also allows you to take a live recording, which it will annotate and transcribe directly for you so that you don't have to write it down later. That's all AI driven, so it can do voice detection that learns your voice. And that's helpful for things like taking notes for class, keeping track of what's going on in your business if it helps you to just narrate what's going on as you're working, so you don't have to have your hands tied up keeping notes on the computer. And if you're doing things like going to college and going through your readings for class, it also has an AI that goes through and offers you a summary of each different recording, provided it's longer than 500 words, so that you can get a good cross section of what information is there for things like studying or reviewing later. And again, this is perfect for a lot of different reasons, but I'm just giving you some examples that pop into my head immediately. The other thing that I can show you here is I did test this on calling my local supermarket, Tony's Meats, to see what kind of ingredients that they had for planning out a barbecue, because this can be useful for more than just school or business. This could just be helpful in life in general, where you can go out and make different purchases or call and keep track of orders, sales, different things that you need to go grab at the store. There's a whole host of ways that that could be useful to you. Or you could just keep a whole transcribed conversation with, say, your lawyer in the event that you need it for different court proceedings or official proceedings out and about in life. Having detailed records of conversations with officials or people that represent a company can be very useful. The price for this is around $150 to $170, and they offer you just under 500 minutes of transcription time a month for free. However, you can subscribe because they do use an actual AI over the web. You can subscribe to their AI tools for around $10 a month or a little over $100 a year. So keep that in mind when you're buying this. It does require you, if you want to use it a lot, to have a subscription service, but that's kind of true for anything that is currently AI powered. They all take a lot of bandwidth and power to do their job, so they tend to prefer that you have a subscription. Otherwise, they limit you to how often you can use it per month. I found it fairly strong, and it was fairly accurate when transcribing my voice. However, if it was trying to transcribe live conversations, its ability to transcribe both my voice and another person's voice largely depended on the other person and how clear their tone of voice was and how well that they enunciated whatever words that they were speaking. So keep that in mind if you're looking for this as a product to use at home. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. I would say it's a solid product, especially if you're looking for something to help you transcribe live conversation and live audio. That'd be it for this one. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.